Hello everyone, in this video we will discuss PYQs of structure of chromosomes, cell cycle and cell division and genetics. In this PYQ section, or you can say we will discuss the previous year questions related to the name the following type of questions. So beginning up, the first one mentioned here is the process of cytoplasmic division, which is asked in 2007. It is called cytokinesis. So in one of my videos I have told that it is important. Name the stage of the cell division according to the following conditions. This is also 2007. First one, chromosome replication, it takes place in the interphase. Separation of chromosomes, it takes place in the anaphase. First stage of cell division, it is called the prophase. Cell division, here we are talking about the M phase only. The chromosomes arrange themselves at the equatorial plane. Metaphase. I have told you during my explanatory videos, or you can say the revision videos part 1 and part 2, that you at once have to remember that whenever the question says that chromosomes are aligning themselves in the equatorial plane, at once you have to remember that this is metaphase, that they're talking about metaphase. Separation of chromatids and their movement to opposite poles of division of spindle fiber occurs in anaphase. Now the question, we are going to the next question. Membrane that disappears during the late prophase, it was asked in 2008. It is nuclear membrane. Now the type of cell division which occurs in the cells of reproductive organs, 2010. So we know in the cells of reproductive organs, genital cells, that is germ cells, meiosis occurs. In meiosis, haploid number of chromosomes are formed so that they get doubled up during the fertilization. Very important. It is a very important point. I told you during my explanatory videos that meiosis and mitosis can be asked in different ways. So it is one of the ways in which it can be asked. Now, unit of heredity, it is genes, and it has been asked in 2010 and 2007. Now, fifth question, the suppressed allele of a gene, and the answer is recessive allele, and it has been asked in 2012 and 2017. So you can understand these 2 points are very important, and I have mentioned genes many times in my previous videos on genetics, as well as in this first chapter, structure of chromosomes. It is a very important topic, or you can say a very important definition, from which the name the following type of question is asked continuously. It has been asked many times in the ICSE exam. Sixth question, we move on to it. Physical expression of genes in an individual, so it is called phenotype. And the genetic constitution of genes, it is called genotype. So you can see the question as phenotype on 2013. Maybe a question comes that genetic constitution of an individual, then you need to remember genotype. Okay, so some kind of a retrogative study. The type of gene which is present, which in presence of contrasting allele is not expressed. It means that the allele which remains suppressed. So it is recessive gene, and it has been asked in 2014 again. Sudden heritable change in the gene or alteration in the gene, it is called mutation. I told you mutation is a very important topic, and mostly the name the following type of question is asked. So what is the proof? We have the proof. It has been asked in 2007, 2014 and 2016. So it is important. So this mutation, the definition of mutation is very important. If you learn the definition, definitely you will be able to do the name the following type of question. If it comes for definition, you will be able to do it. If it comes for passage, you will be able to do it. So yes, definitions are important. It is important to understand and then learn them. If you understand and learn, you'll never forget it. But if you only learn it, you will forget it in a short while. Okay. Specific part of chromosomes that determine hereditary characters, again genes. So we have got genes 2008, and we have got genes in 2010, 2007. It has been asked 3 times, and you can understand how important this topic is. But it was you can see it was asked during the time when like long ago, before 10 years, 12 years. So it was asked successively for 3 years. Now we'll talk about repeated units of DNA molecule. 10th question. Here the answer is nucleotides. It has been asked in 2014 and 2016. So, or you can see the questions which are repeatedly asked about genes, about mutation, about recessive allele, and about nucleotide. And you must remember the structure of the nucleotide also. Okay. and what all bases it had and has and all that thing. Okay. Now we shall move ahead. The cross between two parents having one pair of contrasting characters. Such a cross between two parents having one pair of contrasting characters, then we call it a monohybrid cross. मतलब सिर्फ एक पेयर ऑफ कैरेक्टर की जब हम बात करते हैं तो उसे मोनोहाइब्रिड क्रॉस करते हैं. और जब यहीं पे आ जाए कि मे बी ये आ सकता है द सेम पूरा क्वेश्चन हो यहाँ पे टू पेयर ऑफ कॉन्ट्रास्टिंग कैरेक्टर्स, डाई हाइब्रिड क्रॉस. हमारे कोर्स में है ही बस मोनो हाइब्रिड और डाई हाइब्रिड क्रॉस. Now we'll talk about 2016. The question which was asked in 2016, the exchange of chromatid parts between maternal and paternal chromatids of the pair of homologous chromosomes. It is crossing over. Crossing over I have discussed in my videos. It is important. It is an important topic. A pair of all the topics are important. You can't ignore anything. I'm just telling you the following. So I'm just trying to make you remember that you have read this, and yes, you can do all the questions. A pair of chromosomes of same size and same shape, one from the each parent, homologous chromosomes. It has been asked in 2017 and 2019. Less chances to come in 2020 because it has been asked in 2019, but maybe it can come. We can't say anything. Now I'll again remind you about in this remind you something in this question. The number of chromosomes in a nerve cell 46. अगर यहाँ पे लिखा होता instead of number of chromosomes, if it had been written that the pair of the number of chromosomes in the nerve cell, then what would have been your answer? Then your answer would have been 23. Then your answer would have been 23. But why? Because when we talk about pair, then we take two chromosomes. The two chromosomes make one pair. So 46 by 2, 23 pairs of chromosomes. Okay. So you need to be very, very careful when reading the question, that whether it is asking pair or number. Otherwise you'll make a silly mistake and you will regret it later on. So I have told this earlier in one of my videos, in one of my revision videos. Okay, now 15th question. The condition in which a pair of chromosomes carry similar alleles of particular characters. It is homozygous. 2018. It was asked in 2018. Now we have complex structure of DNA and histone, nucleosome. 2018. So you can see a slight difference in the questions which are asked in 2018. These questions are not asked before, in at least in the 10 years time. So maybe a new question pops up in the examination paper, or it is quite possible that questions may repeat. Okay, but still this revision will help you out in remembering all the things which you have already read. Thank you.